Artificial intelligence has been revolutionizing the world of technology and transforming the way businesses operate. With the growing demand for AI-powered solutions, there has been an increase in the number of AI platforms available in the market. Two of the most popular AI platforms are IBM Watson and ChatGPT. In this video, we will take a closer look at IBM Watson and ChatGPT, highlighting their differences in 2023. Overview of IBM Watson. IBM Watson is an AI platform developed by IBM. It was first introduced in 2010 and has since become one of the most popular AI platforms in the world. IBM Watson is designed to help businesses and organizations make better decisions by analyzing large amounts of data. It uses natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning to analyze data and provide insights. IBM Watson has a range of applications, including healthcare, finance, education, and customer service. It can be used to analyze medical records, provide financial insights, and create personalized learning experiences. IBM Watson can also be integrated into chatbots to provide customer service support. Overview of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It was first introduced in 2020 and has quickly become one of the most popular AI platforms for natural language processing. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like responses to text input. It uses deep learning algorithms to understand the context of a conversation and generate responses that are relevant and natural. ChatGPT has a range of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and content creation. It can be used to create chatbots that can provide customer service support, translate text into different languages, and generate content for websites and social media platforms. Differences between IBM Watson and ChatGPT. Natural language processing. Both IBM Watson and ChatGPT use natural language processing to understand and analyze text input. However, there are some differences in the way they approach natural language processing. IBM Watson uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and rule-based systems to understand language. It relies on predefined rules and models to analyze text input and generate responses. ChatGPT, on the other hand, uses a neural network to understand language. It is based on deep learning algorithms and can learn from large amounts of data to improve its understanding of language over time. Training data. The performance of an AI platform is heavily dependent on the quality and quantity of training data. IBM Watson has been trained on a vast amount of data, including medical records, financial reports, and academic research. This makes it well suited for applications in healthcare, finance, and education. ChatGPT has been trained on a large corpus of text data, including books, articles, and websites. This makes it well suited for applications in natural language processing, such as chatbots and language translation. Customization. Both IBM Watson and ChatGPT can be customized to meet the specific needs of businesses and organizations. IBM Watson offers a range of APIs and tools that allow developers to customize the platform to their specific requirements. This includes the ability to create custom models and training data. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a pre-trained model that cannot be customized directly. However, it can be fine-tuned using transfer learning techniques to improve its performance on specific tasks. Performance. IBM Watson and ChatGPT have different strengths and weaknesses when it comes to performance. IBM Watson is highly accurate when it comes to analyzing structured data, such as medical records and financial reports. However, it may struggle with unstructured data, such as text input from social media platforms. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is highly accurate when it comes to natural language processing. It can generate human-like responses to text input and has been shown to perform well in tasks such as language translation, question answering, and content generation. However, ChatGPT may not perform as well as IBM Watson when it comes to structured data analysis. Cost. IBM Watson is a paid platform, and the cost of using it can vary depending on the specific application and the amount of data being analyzed. IBM Watson offers a range of pricing plans, including pay-as-you-go and subscription-based plans. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a free, open-source platform. However, it requires significant computational resources to run, and businesses may need to invest in cloud-based computing resources to make the most of the platform. Conclusion. In conclusion, IBM Watson and ChatGPT are both powerful AI platforms with unique strengths and weaknesses. IBM Watson is well suited for structured data analysis in industries such as healthcare and finance. ChatGPT, on the other hand, excels in natural language processing tasks such as chatbots, language translation, and content generation. Ultimately, the choice of platform will depend on the specific needs of a business or organization and the application for which the AI platform will be used.